Hi friends, good afternoon. Today it is 2nd July 2022 and the time is 1:40. Uh, See, on Friday I'm not able to put my weekly forecast video or the July forecast video because the webinar went till 11:30 in the night. So I'm extremely sorry. There was a lot of queries on checking on the video. I'm extremely sorry. Uh, but the monthly bullish number and bearish number worked like magic, and that too, especially on Bank Nifty. The exact bottom was our monthly game changer bearish number. From there, market took the bottom and then went up. And I was sincerely giving a lot of caution on Reliance on 21st uh, June, 21st June itself, saying that I am not convinced on Reliance, so be very, very cautious on Reliance. And uh, the upper target was 2613, which was our monthly magical one number magic, which I normally give when the month opens. When the month opens, this number is given. This is only one number. This one number will decide the course of action for the entire month for that stock or for the indices. For last month, for Nifty future, it is 16,137. Below that, it gave roughly around 1,000 points. And if you go to Bank Nifty, it was 34,598. And from there, 2,500 points. For example, in stocks, if it is Reliance, it is 2613. 2613, precise number, 2613. And in the month of June beginning itself, I clearly mentioned 30th June is the miracle cyclic day for Reliance. Cyclic day for Reliance. So the high and low of that candle is very, very crucial for the whole month. That's a thing. So let's go and first talk about Reliance. Then we will go and come on. Now the talk of the town is Reliance. Everybody is talking about Reliance. We predicted this much, much before. It is not based on the price. It is based on the time. When the time combines with the price, it is explosion. When the time combines with the price, it is explosion. Okay, now watch this. Okay, so first we will go to this one number magic. See, this is for one number magic for all the 180 stocks for uh, June. Okay, so July I'll be giving today, and those who want to join my webinar and to take this one magic number in your favorite stocks, kindly join my webinar tomorrow at 12:30 to 2 p.m. Okay, so for all the stocks, I will be giving the one magic number. Okay, and this number will be generated to my subscribers on one day before the monthly expiry starts or monthly starts. Okay, for example, let's go to Reliance. You can take and go and take all these numbers and you can do your homework. Now I'm going to concentrate only on Reliance because the talk of the town is Reliance now. Yeah, so this is the Reliance number 2613 and the deciding number 2564. This is the first resistance and this is support. Break below this, it's definitely a pin. But this number is the key. 2613 is the key. That is called one number magic. If you go here on the top, it is ONM, one number magic. Okay, 2613. Now let's go to the PPT of June month. So when the June started, this was the weekly observation, 30th May to 3rd June. Okay, clearly mentioned 30th May will be the cyclic day for Reliance. First 15 minutes high and low, and we got a bumper move on that day. Then see what happens after this. See what happens after this. Okay, so now let's go to the chart. Let's go to the chart. And before that, this was my one of my subscriber clearly mentioned. Seriously, I am not convinced with Reliance. If it does not move above 2605, I will go short, more short below 2555. And this I gave on 21.6. And 21.6 is the miracle day for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Dow Jones, everything. And I've clearly mentioned I'm not convinced. I clearly mentioned I'm not convinced. And the target, if you go to Telegram channel, this was my Telegram channel, and my target is 2613. Target is 2613, and this happened yesterday. That is, sorry, this happened on Thursday. This happened on Thursday. So this was the one number magic, 2613, right? So now let's go to the chart. So this is Reliance chart. So I mentioned this line is 2613. Just see that one number, how it works for the whole month. Okay. And the 30th May, the 30th May is the trend change date for Reliance. Okay, this is 30th May. Above, this is bullish, below it is bearish. So if I take the above was this one, and the below was here. So I mark the high and low of 30th June. Hope you are able to see it. Okay, this was the high and this was the low. But normally I teach how to find these cyclical dates to my subscribers and those who are joined in my Telegram webinar also, on Sunday webinar also. I'll teach them how to draw, how to get these dates, without any hassle, It's a very simple thing which you need to observe. Then you can find these dates. Okay. So this is the 30th May high and low. I marked with blue and red. Okay, so once it crosses above, it went roughly around. Normally, the one number magic will give minimum 10% more. One number magic will give minimum 7% to 10% more. So if you take exactly on the expiry day, when next the expiry day, 27th was expiry day, I give this date after the expiry day. So 2613, it closed above 2613. And it went roughly around 2791, 2817, roughly around 200 points from here. Okay, then it came down. Once it closed below the 30th May trend change date, cyclic day, it is not good. It is not good. And our fortune signals gave the sell here and it gave a buy here. Again the sell happened here. Okay, that we will see later, but we'll talk only about the number 2613. Finished. So here it closed below 2613. Again it went above and closed above, but the stop loss is this. The stop loss is 30th May high, and again came down, exactly went and touched yesterday. From 21 itself, I'm saying caution. And my number was, the first target was 2444. 2444. This was my first target. And my second target was 2351. 2351. It came all the way down after 21st June, where I gave a caution call. The low was 2445. And my number was 2444. How I got this 2444? It is simply because of my fortune signals 1 day number. That's all. 1 day, the red color number was 2444. And it came all the way down to 2445, only one number. And from there it bounced. Okay, when it bounced, where it went? Exactly 2613. Exactly on the dot. And from there, you have seen a fall. So when it is below this date low, 30th May low itself, you need to be very, very cautious. You need to be very, very cautious. And if you go here to my PPT, and if you go to 1 second, 21st June. Just a minute. I wrote about Reliance. 1 second. Yeah. So this is 23rd June. Okay. As predicted, Reliance put the dent on Nifty up move. It closed below 2555, which is not a good sign. till it is below 2555 on closing basis. My targets are 2495, 2444, and I clearly gave a blue color sign also because that was a reversal zone and it missed by 1 rupee. It missed by 1 rupee. And from there, again it went, where it went? 2631, which was the monthly game changer, one number magic. And my target is still intact, 2351. Let's see whether it is going to do 2351 or not. And below 2351, my target is 2200. See how one number, only one number, will work like magic. You can ask me any stock, I can give that one number magic. That one number is more than enough. Below that number is bearish, above that number is bullish. You can keep 1.5% stop loss, and you can trial your stop loss based on your whatever technical analysis you have. You can use it. And normally we use our fortune signals. If you go here, this is our fortune signals. So I always keep my one number magic in this color. Okay, so that was the exact high. Sell came, and this is on 15 minutes. So if I go to 1 day, I'll show you why I said 2444, because this was the 2444 level, this red color line, and from all the way it came down because it broke only yesterday. From here it came down all the way, touched this and went up. And now see this magic. See, Reliance gave a sell here in 18th November. On 18th November, it gave a sell. Again, it went to buy. All the way it came down and it gave a fake sell. This is where people used to get trapped. It gave a fake sell, and from there it moved up. Again, it moved up, and this fake sell low was 2370. Till it is holding that number, till it is holding this number on a closing basis, it is still bullish only. Based on fortune signals on 1 day, this is the fake sell where everybody would have got trapped. But we only know this is a trap. The same thing I gave in Nifty. When it gave a weekly sell, I clearly mentioned with the date also, which is 17th June, was the trend change date. And on that day, the low was 15,193, where Nifty gave a weekly sell in fortune signals. I will show it to you. I clearly mentioned if it is not going below 15,193, we are in for 1,000 points of move. And that video is already available in my YouTube channel, which is my weekly forecast video. Anyway, I'll be doing my weekly forecast video for this week later point of time. So this is just to show how fortune signals identifies the bottom where people will get trapped. And here also, it is not close to below 2370, this low, which was my sell initiated, and it is fake sell. So if it breaks and closes below 2370, believe me, Reliance is in for a ride. I seriously don't know what news came yesterday. All that we don't know, because we are completely out of the nice world. And we are able to see this forecast on 21st June itself. So I'm given a caution call to all my subscribers. Stay very, very cautious on Reliance. And I'm not convinced on Reliance at all. And I clearly mentioned this fall will come only because of Reliance. And somehow the index management has done yesterday. They moved some other stocks, Bajaj Fins and all that, to manage Nifty and took the Nifty up. And if you see yesterday, our monthly bullish number and bearish number, just a minute. If you go to my Telegram channel, okay, so if I go down to the end, this was the monthly bearish number and bullish number, which I give in the morning itself. The exact low of Bank Nifty is 33105. Exact low. And I said concentrate on long on Bank Nifty, not on Reliance, or not on Nifty. And Bank Nifty closed above the one number magic on Friday after a very long time, right? So let's see how much run they are going to go. But these numbers will do miracle. You don't need to do any study. Just this two number is enough. Bullish above this number, bearish below this number. Bullish above this number, bearish below this number. These two numbers will not change for the whole month. Whole month it stays. Last month, the same monthly magic number worked like literally magic. And this day, I'm giving you the number right away in front of you. You can make a note of it and see the magic. We will again discuss in the month when August starts. We will discuss about these numbers. No change in these numbers. It will remain intact. It will remain intact. So tomorrow, I'm going to discuss about my weekly numbers, one number magic for stocks and other stuff. Most of them, everything is already ready. You know, I will try to do that for you, and you can take the favorite scripts, one number magic. And let's go to the last week Nifty and Bank Nifty entry and exit number on weekly. So this was the buy number and this was the sell number. This is for last week, okay? This was the buy number, this was the sell number. Done? Right, now let's go to the chart. Okay, first we'll go to Nifty, then we'll come to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, buy above 15,729, sell below 15,625. This is for the whole week, it won't change. For the last 1 week, this was the number. See what happened. On Monday, it was a big gap up. It was a big gap up. And the stop loss for 15,729 is 54 points. The stop loss for weekly number spot is 54 points. Okay. So from there, it all the way came down and gave an entry here at 15,729. The stop loss is here, 15,675, which is 54 points from here. 54 points from here. From here, this is the second target. This is the second target, 15,876. Exactly went. Again came down. Next day, gap down. Took the exact number. Stop loss not hit. Again went and touched 15,876. Right? Again came down. And this was because of Reliance. It gave the sell. And first target only achieved. And it closed exactly very near to 15,729. Simple, no need to do anything. And this clearly given, this is the price reversal zone. This is the price reversal zone. If you go to my PPT, price reversal zone. This I'm writing on the week beginning itself. See, this is the daily observation. If you go to my weekly observation, that number will be there and it won't change. There is a weekly observation. Just a minute. Just a minute. Somehow it is there. Anyway, because that number won't change. If you go here also, it will be the same number. It will be the same number because this weekly numbers don't change. And the stop loss is clearly given here, 54 points. And for Bank Nifty, it is 144 points. Right? And let's go to Bank Nifty. Let's go to Bank Nifty. Okay, there was a gap of open. And after that, the buy is not initiated at all. It came down, went up, buy not initiated at all last week. Came down, sell initiated here, stop loss triggered, again sell initiated. Yesterday, this was the bang on low, 33,124. This was the first target. and from there it went up. But we got this move. We captured this move. We captured this move based on July monthly bearish and bullish number. This was the exact low. If you can go here, if you can go to my PPT, this was the low, and I was clearly saying concentrate on Bank Nifty, concentrate on Bank Nifty. So this number won't change for the whole month. For the month of July, this stands. Simple. And 3 days before or 4 days before, ITC had a major trend change date. ITC had a major trend change date. I clearly mentioned on my daily forecast saying that the stop loss is only 4 rupees. Buy. And I gave the target also. If it holds 266, my first target is 277, second target is 288, third target is 297, fourth target is 322. It is there in my video. It is there in my video. You can go and check. Right? So I'll try to put my weekly forecast video. In case if you want one number magic for all your favorite stocks, kindly join my webinar tomorrow at 12:30 to 1:30. 12:30 2 p.m. Mostly, I think last week on Thursday, the webinar went till 1:30. We are discussing about where the market will come and take the support based on Ichimoku and based on fortune signals 1 hour blue and red. Exactly, that was the pinpoint. Bottom in Nifty also. From there we got a phenomenal move. And we are holding, we sold all the mostly all the puts, and we are holding. Let's see how the market is going to plan out. And tomorrow is the major trend change date. That is 4th is the major trend change date. So you can definitely you can join my webinar to understand where the support. Like, see how beautifully it captured this. 1 hour. This is what we discussed. Exactly came down, touched our fortune signals blue, and went up. Bank Nifty not even came, and we are able to predict this bottom much before. But still, Bank Nifty on 1 hour closing basis, it is still in red, and Nifty also, it is still in fake buy. Please remember that in one day it has given a buy, but none of the candle closed above this buy. So it has to close above this candle eye to give a bullish move for Nifty. Otherwise, it's a fake buy. We only know this is the top because this is a fake buy. When my buy signal comes, if the next candle is not closing above this candle, it is a fake buy where people will get trapped. That kind of a design we made it, so we clearly know where the top is happening or where the bottom is happening. When you go to Nifty on weekly, clearly mentioned, this has given a weekly sell. This will be a fake sell for 1,000 points of move. For 1,000 points of move. Chalo, we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty later in my weekly forecast video. So this is to show about the importance of one number magic. People are fighting to chase stocks, make money, swing trading, positional trading, blah 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 blah. No need, one number enough for the whole month. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Try to join my webinar tomorrow 12:30 to 2 p.m. The link will be posted in my Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is there under this description box. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 12:30 to 2.